Smoking at work? Wow. What up, guys? Today we're making a little dispensary run, testing out my headphones. Not headphones, wow. Headphones coming soon, though. Testing out our new handlebars, Warp 9. Oh, the wind. Gosh dang it. Yeah, we're going to be testing out our new handlebars, Warp 9 stem lock, handlebars, and bar mount. Actually kind of excited. I'm digging the color of them for sure. But, yeah, also in this video, we're going to test out night mode on the AcePro, because I'm debating on whether or not I want to upgrade to the AcePro, or if I want to go to something like the DJI Action 5. I'm not sure. If you guys have watched a lot of videos on them, let me know which one you guys are thinking. But until then, we're gonna ride. I'm actually really curious about how the night mode is gonna go, just because like night riding could potentially be my jam. So I want to check that out. It's also cold and windy as freaking balls. And that kind of sucks. One thing I will say, these new handlebars, it feels more like controlled, kind of, and I like it. Ooh. Just gonna pull out up over here. Also, I did get a new fender, so that's also really exciting. So I'll get that on and hopefully get less stuff splattered all over my freaking camera while I ride. And my face. My face too. That'd be nice. And also, I have people in my comments who comment and complain, "Oh, you ride slow." Dude, I'm on a freaking e-bike in Washington. It is cold, it is wet, and I am not trying to crash, because, you know, that shit would suck. Fuck that. Sweet, we survived to the main road. Ooh. Sweet. Oh yeah, having side view mirrors on your bike, probably one of the most important upgrades, dude. Ooh. Ooh. Smoking at work? Wow.